Hello teachers! If you want to see which ebooks your organization owns, you can do so easily with the following steps. Start by going to Tritonio's homepage and choose Finna here on the left. Next, log in to the Finna database of your own university. After logging in, the search box will change color depending on your organization, but only after that you've logged in with your Haka username and password. All licensed e-resources will be at your disposal. So choose your own university. I chose the University of Vaasa, but it doesn't matter which university you belong to, the functions are the same. So here I log in with Haka username and password. And next, I'm going to go up here to search functions, click on the arrow so the menu opens, and go down to browse databases. Now you get a long list of databases that are at your disposal for your university. These databases include eJournal, article, ebook databases, statistical databases, patent databases, standard databases, and so on. But today I'll show you how to find the ebook databases. So next, I'm going to first go to material type here on the right, and then I'm going to go and choose ebooks. So from around 100 databases, the list narrowed down to 21 databases. If you want, you can also narrow it down even more by your own subject or by your own interests. For example, you can choose humanities databases, linguistics, communication, business, management, economics, and so on. Also technology, social science. You can narrow it down, and all these will be ebook databases because you have material type ebooks chosen down here. I'm going to show you now a few databases that could be important for your subject. I'm going to take some general databases here. But you see here on the name of the database is usually in which language the database in question is. And sometimes the publisher or the university behind the database. I'm now going to choose eBook Central. It was previously called eBury, and it's one of the world's biggest ebook databases. It's a really good database for every single subject that you study in Vaasa. Here I suggest that you take advanced search, so you get more search boxes. You can even add one more from there. In the search boxes you put central search words, subject words for what you are looking for. I chose SME, leadership and ethics and do the search. The result was 2,256 ebooks. And you can see with the one glance you see the name of the ebook, the authors, the publisher, and the date the book was published. I'm going to choose this first one for example. When you open up an ebook in eBook Central, you immediately see what kind of license your institution has to this ebook. This ebook has an unlimited access license. This means that if you choose this for an ebook to your course, every single student can read this ebook online simultaneously. You can both read eBook Central's ebooks online or download the ebook to your computer. We're going to read this one online. And now I'm going to show you how to browse around the book and some other functions. Here you can, in the right side, you can just go down in the ebook as you please. You can choose the arrows here as well. Or you can write the page number you want to go to in that box, and it brings you to that page. You can also click here on the left side on Table of Contents, and you will be able to search within the book, or just choose a chapter that you want to jump to. If I jump to the market concept and market orientation here, it will be chapter 4 that appears. When you read the book online, not all functions are active, but if you put your book to this ebook shelf and create an ebook shelf on your own, you can, for example, add bookmarks to the pages. You can add notes or even highlight things in the text. Now back to this page and then one more jump back. When you get lots and lots of ebooks hit like this one, you can choose to narrow it down by language or by subject. You can also even add more search terms by edit this search. Like that, you could do another search. You could range it by between the certain years or certain formats. But eBook Central is a really good solid ebook database that has good, prestigious publishers, good research books. So try to take advantage of this database in this state of emergency. Now I'm going to show you some other databases. Next, I'm going to show you ebooks on EBSCOhost. Open the database. This database will look like all the other EBSCO databases, but the only difference is now it's going to only search ebooks for you. This time I'm going to look for cybersecurity and threats. So I put the search words, search terms in the boxes and do the search. And next, EBSCO will give me the results of this search. We got one book, and you see, if you open it up, that we have full text usage of the book, and when you scroll further down, we have unlimited user access to this book. This means, once again, that it's a suitable book for as a textbook to your course. Here you can choose to download the book or read it in EPUB full text format. Next, I'm going to show you one more ebook database, and we'll scroll down to Taylor and Francis ebooks. Open database. It's either basic search here or advanced search there. This time I'm going to choose basic search and put in. Next, I'm going to search for social media and business, and I use the Boolean operator AND between these two search terms and write it in capital letters. I got 19,000 ebooks as a result, and it's easy to filter them to only show content that you have access to. You see the number decreased dramatically. Okay, this book sounds interesting. I'm going to open this one up. So you see here it has an open access symbol. That means that all the students once again can use it simultaneously. This one, open access, means also that other people can read the ebook than the ones that have a license to it. Here you can either download the book or read it online. Next, I'm going to show you an ebook from Airlibs. Airlibs is a bit different from the other databases that I have shown you. Airlibs is a Finnish database, and you changed the language of the database into English in the upper right corner under Kieli. Here you choose the books in English. The thing that makes Airlibs different from the other databases that I've shown you. The other databases have all just needed that you log in with your Haka username and password to be able to read them or download them. But Airlibs needs your library card number and your PIN code. So, for example, this book, here you see the name of the title, the editors. Here you see the lending period. You can lend the book for either 7 days or 10 minutes, and here you download the book. We have now 18 available copies of this book and only 1 in loan. I'm going to take another example so you see that the different copy numbers vary. For example, here the lending period is 14 days and we just have 1 copy available. But these books here in Airlibs, they need library card number and PIN code. So, but all your students have also, they're available for them as well. If you need help with any ebook databases or ebook purchases, contact isrv@tritonia.fi, isrv@tritonia.fi. We'll answer your questions and help you to purchase textbook course books for your courses. Thank you. Bye.